we'll see in the, no, it's not, we'll see in the next one, as you'll see you right now. Hang in there, I'm coming back. We're in the garage, and today is the big day. We're gonna do some cast iron. Well, remember well, you've heard about it for long enough. I guess it's time to get it welded there. Hang on, set it up there and see if I'm in the picture here. Yeah, I am. Okay, so we're gonna we're gonna weld some of this. I'm gonna try it. Ooh, take these out of here. They get all splattered with welding stuff. Yeah, I got the rod that I think is titanium there, and I'm gonna try this. We'll weld it. You weld about 1/4 inch, 3/8 at the most, and then you pick. I was gonna say something, but you pick out of it, like you give it to it. What happens is that when you weld something, it heats up, then it shrinks. When it shrinks, it draws in. Cast iron doesn't have that flexibility. It doesn't want to let go. So what happens, where you weld it, it won't crack where you weld it, but it's going to crack right beside it. So what happens is when you pick, it expands your weld to, as it's cooling, it expands your weld into the cast iron. So, but don't make the mistake of going too far without picking it. Like you weld an inch, you'll be an inch sorry. Okay, well, hang on there. How high am I? At 110. We're gonna try this. See how it goes at 110. Okay. I hope I don't burn my camera there. Can you see? Anyways, I'll be back. At one point, I think I'm gonna transfer. Now I got titanium. I'm gonna do some with 6013. Not just to make it hard. It's just that I don't know. Just want to show that it can be done. Okay. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind this. I'll bring this up here and I'll show you once it's grinded. Hang on. I'm looking to see what I got, but I'm gonna grind it. I'm gonna see after. Ooh, I go and get this. Hang on now. I'm gonna turn this around like this so that you can see a little bit of impurities there. Hang on, I'll bring you in close there. Just to show you what we got here. Yeah, backside. It's not bad. And this side here, I've got it welded up to there. And now we're gonna try, I can grind a little bit more here, but gonna try 60-13 now. So you hang on there, I'll go get it. I'll get ready and I'll bring it back. Okay folks, so we're back. Right now, we got some 60-13 on the stick, and we're gonna give it a little shot here. She's cooling down there now. She's a hard cow to breed, but we need the milk. That's about as much as you're gonna get today. A little pinhole here, but I'm gonna show you that. And that'll be that's it for the demo. 60-13 is harder. It's harder to weld than the Certanium rod there. I hope you can see that. That's a 60-13. So I have a little pinhole right there, and this part here is the Certanium rod, which is it's a lot better. And the inside, well, as you can see, I can finish that, but this is going to the garbage, eh? So I gotta spend my year fixing that. But as you can see, the trick here, hang on, I'll put you back on the tripod there, and we're gonna talk just a little bit here. As you can see, the trick, well, if you got titanium rod, but the trick is just to go 1/4 inch at 3/8, and then you pick it so that it expands your weld, so it doesn't give a chance for your weld to draw back in on the cast iron, and then that's what cracks the cast. But I've welded, well, I said it in the last video, I think. I welded some stovetop, you know, the holes in the little wood kitchen stoves there, the round tops there. I welded some for some guys, and it was a success. I did one. I started off. I did one with brass, and then I didn't really like the looks. Didn't really like the looks of it. So then I got some rod. I went to a welding supplier, and I bought some rod, and after that, well, then I never became a welder. But anyways, it is what it is. Anybody that's got the machine, see that 6013, I dropped it down to, I think it was around 80. And I think I could have been maybe a little bit lower than that, because I blew a hole in it at one place, and that's why I got that pinhole. So anyways, that's neither here nor there. Titanium rod, picking hammer. You don't gotta heat, you know, like some people say you gotta heat. Well, if I was welding an engine block, I'd heat it up and do the process. But if you just do it, if you stitch it, eh? Just do a piece at a time, and you go here, there, and eventually you'll join. It's just like when you weld with MIG. When you weld real thin material, well, you stitch it first, then you eventually join it up all together. Anyways, that's it, folks. I had fun. It's not the easiest thing to do in the world, but there was no problem with that. It can be done, and it's just a matter of sticking to it. Titanium rod. That's your cast iron rod. The next one there, we're gonna take hang on, I'll bring it closer. We're gonna take this pan here. We're gonna take this pan, and we're gonna take you through the process of these are. This is a Wagner's 1681 original, or 1891 original. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this very rough. The casting was rough on this, so I'm gonna attempt to finish it inside. Now I'll bring you along. Okay, so that's it for today, folks. And like I said before, we'll see you in the next one.